It's working.
Okay, I see it. It's a roller coaster.
When it goes like this, it looks like it's not gonna go up. But when it's like this,
Uh-huh. It's a part. You can separate it.
This one is this.
Okay. Thank you. A roller coaster picture. Good.
Put it on the table.
Like that? Okay. Will do.
Oh, wait.
Hey.
Not all the way to the bottom.
That's right.
Eight.
Yes.
I made.
Can you do all the numbers?
7.
Yeah.
Go down.
Yes. Good.
7.
Good.
Angle.
Yes.
And a line.
That's right. What other number can you do? Hey, there's Olga.
She gave that rock to you. The egg.
The egg? What egg? No, that's not who gave me the egg. My dear friend Vera.
Vera.
Yes. What other number can you make? Can you make number 1?
1.
Yeah. Nice. Perfect. How about number 2?
2.
Uh-huh.
I don't know.
You don't? Want me to show you?
Maybe I can do.
I bet you can.
And here's a few.
Oh yeah.
Okay. First I'm going to align them. I can't.
Oh, you're doing it. You're doing it.
This way?
Yeah. It goes this way. The other way. Here, put your pencil back at this point and go like this. And then around. There. How do you like it?
Ooh.